Python programming language has over 60 built-in functions to help you code more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the function str. Hi Python developers. In today's video, we're diving into the str function, a built-in Python function that's essential for converting and formatting data as strings. By the end of this video, you'll know what str does, when to use it, and how it simplifies handling textual data in Python. Let's get started. What is the str function? It's a Python built-in function that converts an object to its string representation. Here's the syntax. String with an optional object. In the function, you can optionally include the object that you want to be converted into a string. If omitted, str function returns an empty string. The result is a string representation of the given object. Why use the str function? It's a versatile function for converting objects into strings, which is useful for output, logging, and debugging. Key concepts include string representation. For most objects, str function returns a user-friendly string version of the object. Custom behavior. Objects can define their own str method to control how the str function works. Default value. When no argument is provided, str returns an empty string. You'd use the str function when you're converting numbers, lists, or other data types into strings for displaying or processing, when you're formatting outputs for logging or printing, or perhaps when generating string representations of custom objects in your programs. Let's start with a simple example of converting numbers to strings. Here, the str function converts the integer 42 into the string 42, making it suitable for text processing. The str function works with many data types, including floats and lists. In these examples, the str function converts a float and a list into their string representations. You can customize how the str function works for your objects by defining an _str_ method. Here we define the class point. In addition to its constructor, we include an _str_ method. Then when we call the method, it returns a string in the customized format from the built-in method. So in this example, the str method defines how the str function represents the point object. When no argument is provided, str function returns an empty string. This can be handy when you need a placeholder string. The str function is often used in logging to convert objects into readable text. Here, the str function makes it easy to format complex objects into readable log messages. Here are some important points about the str function. Use it for user-friendly string representations of objects. For detailed or developer-friendly outputs, consider using the repr function instead. Custom objects should define a _str_ method to ensure meaningful string representations. And that's the str function. To recap, it converts objects into string representations. It's useful for output, logging, and debugging, and it supports custom behavior with the _str_ method. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips. Happy coding!